How to save avatars in Roblox Mobile. First thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Roblox Mobile app. And once you've opened up the app, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you need to do is head over to your avatar tab at the bottom. On the bottom navigation bar, tap on the center where it says avatar. And once you land on this page, you can customize your character according to you. So click on the characters tab, and then from here you'll be able to change different characters. So you can also choose different characters from here. Click on see all and select your character. So let me just choose this one right here. And as you can see, this costs Robux and you're gonna have to pay for it. But if you want to customize your character yourself, then tap on the customize tab at the bottom top right. And from here you can change your character's head, body, face, and everything. So let's choose this one right here for now. And on here I'm gonna choose a different hair, so let's just choose this one for now. And then on clothing I'm just gonna change whatever is on top. You could also change your accessories, like adding a hat. And once you've done that, once you're happy with your character, head over to characters tab and then simply tap on this option right here where it shows a little gear icon, and then click on update existing character or save as new. I'm going to save this as a new character, and then you can name this character. So I'm just going to name it like this, save it, and you have to make sure that you don't put any spaces in between. So I'm just going to name it randomly and then click on save. So now your new character has been saved right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'm going to see you guys on the next one.